Morning guys, hope you're keeping well. Thought I'd put a little video together today actually. Got a few minutes. Going to do a bit of work on the Range Rover, not a lot today. But yeah, a little update. So we've got the roof panel off, the old structure. That's done. So this morning I've just been straightening out this edge. So if we can get a nice finish to mate to the structure on the vehicle. That's coming along nicely. Chuffed with that. That was a lot easier than I thought. And then as well, just straightening out this panel, little piece on the structure. That was proud. I think if you remember from a previous video, we'd damaged that trying to get the old roof off. So that's pretty much done. And now the next thing, we want to concentrate on straightening that edge up there. So that was where that horse had hit the vehicle. So we need to straighten that up before we can get the roof skin on it. And then we're going to go down that other side and straighten that edge out. We'll just pop round the back, 2 seconds. Okay, so where we got the roof structure off, we had to do a little bit of bending there, so that's easy enough. That'll just go down, no problem at all. That side's okay. And then ultimately this roof's got to go forward on the body, and we're gonna have to weld back in there, but we'll show you that better later on. A couple of dinks on the roof. One here, one in the middle, and there's one at the front. A couple of these I-cores, guys. So so I'd got the roof in the back garden, disassembling it, and he fell over and hit a solid object. So oh, there's one there. So we're gonna have to deal with that later on. Not a problem. That'll some of that will push back from the inside, and what we can't get out, we'll just put a skimmer filler across the top. Right, so let's crack on. Right guys, we've done some straightening, and let's have a quick look. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's coming on really, really nicely. I just got a little bit more over that side there. Yeah, it's near enough there actually. Really chuffed with that. I've gone down each of the sides, and that's reasonably straight now. We're gonna have to lift the roof off again, get an angle grinder down there, clean up all the surfaces on the skin and on the structure, ready for sealing. Okay, so we've got the roof off the car, turn it upside down, and the next stage we need to start cleaning up some of these old mastic marks, and in particular we need to get off this old sealant. Yeah, what's happening is if you put the roof on, it's tending to rise up higher than it should, because this is meeting the old mastic that's on the car, on the beams. So let's get that done. Right, so we ground off the old sealer. Tell you what though, I'm not, oh yeah, we've tidied that up as well. Got some corrosion around that antenna point. If you remember from an earlier video, we haven't actually got one of those on the car, so I'm only going to put an antenna on it that it won't actually do anything. Disappointed with this though, some corrosion around that hole, so we're going to have to make a repair when we do some welding. I'll put a plate on that. Right, okay, so we're coming on. I think we're going to put some sealer on this now, seal this up. Right, That's the all the mastic removed and sealed up. Just got a little dent out that was over there. Used the older body tools, knock that out. That's come out very nice. Noticed over here there's a pre-existing bit of damage. You can't actually see it from the other side, so that must have been worked at some point. It's perfectly flat on the other side, so it must be a skimmer filler or something on the other side. Yeah, not too bad. Got to get started on the roof structure now. There we go. Bit of light angle grinding. Took out the sealant. Bit time consuming, but just the job. Just knock some of this back where it's a little bit proud. I think we've got that okay. Yep. Okay, so to the other side now. Oh yeah, just rub back some of the sealant on the top as well. Okay, it's all cleaned up now, guys. Roof's just been put back on, just temporary, and we're back in the garage, of course. So next job is we need to go around and do some fettling, get things perfectly straight where they need to be. I think we're pretty much thereabouts now on the edges, and then hopefully, when we're absolutely certain it's in the right place, we can start sealing down and clamping down, ready for some welding, I think. Right, okay, we'll leave that there for today, guys. If you do like the videos, please give us a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Speak soon. Take care, guys.